Hello, my name is Jacob Watton and welcome to QT. I'm the red-headed guy who's just kind of wandering around the cube. Oh, yeah, this is the cube. I come from the creative industries. My background is as a dancer. However, as part of my studies here at QT, I now find myself working really closely with technology. What would you do if you were told you'd be presenting your university project at one of the world's most prestigious international festivals? We've been invited to present our work. We're building a performance capturing the relationship between a human and a robot.
Hello, welcome to QUT. I'm Pepper.
Hi, Pepper.
I'm new here at the university, and I haven't had a chance to learn very much so far. But I've met a lot of really nice people, and I'm pretty excited to get to go to university.
When I was a kid, I used to picture robots as animatronic objects. But now, I'm moving in a direction of seeing robots and AIs as collaborators, not so much as tools. I'm thinking about how I'm going to connect these two worlds of art and science. I think what's really incredible about the creative industries is that we get to tell stories as part of a team of other creatives. And so, the countdown is on to turn our vision into a reality. We have just weeks before we're boarding a plane to Austria. From growing up in Toowoomba and moving to Brisbane, being part of this whirlwind, incredible project that includes cutting-edge technology and incredible collaborators. This project is taking us to Ars Electronica in Austria. You know, the stakes are high and anything or everything could go wrong. There's so much more to come, and I really hope that you follow along on our journey to Ars.